Today I'm making a quick chicken stock. We're going to use a rotisserie chicken that we got at our local market. And I'm going to show you how I pick that meat off the bones, and then we use everything that's left, the skin and the carcasses, to make a quick stock. To start our stock though, we're going to use some aromatic vegetables, a chunky mirepoix, which is a mix of carrot, celery, and onion. So we have some rough cut carrots, a little bit of rough cut celery. Into a generous sized stock pot, we're going to put one whole head of garlic split in half, and then one yellow onion that's been quartered. We leave all the skins on our vegetables because they add a little bit of flavor and a little depth of color. I also have a little bit of Italian flat leaf parsley and fresh thyme to go in my pot, a few bay leaves, and then some black peppercorns are going to go in there. I'm going to set this pot aside, and then I'm going to get to picking this chicken. So we just basically are going to tear it into pieces that we're going to save for other applications. We can toss it into a pasta, we can toss it into the soup when it's finished, make a chicken salad. But then we're going to take the skin and all of the bones that we have left over, and those are all going into this pot. So we've hand pulled all of the chicken off the bone. We've used the bones because we don't want to waste anything. We took all of the skin, the roasted bones, and this is going to give us a delicious roasted chicken stock with all of our aromatic vegetables, the parsley, the thyme, and garlic, black pepper, and bay leaf. And I'm going to head over to the sink and cover this with cold water. I'm going to take our stock, put it over a high flame. We'll bring this up to a boil, and then we'll reduce the flame to simmer. So our stock has come to a rolling boil. I'm going to push it to a back burner over low heat and let it simmer for 2 hours. So we'll strain our chicken stock. It's been simmering for about 2 hours. It's really beautiful. And we could use just a mesh strainer that we use in the kitchen, but I prefer to go through a chinois, which is a very fine mesh strainer. I'm going to ladle this in there. And you can see it's got a beautiful golden color. A lot of the color comes from the skins of the onions that we left on. And when this is all ladled in, we'll cool it down. Any fat that's in the stock will rise to the top and solidify. And while it's cold, we can skim that off. We can keep that fat for roasting some potatoes or vegetables. It's really delicious. A schmaltz, and or you can just discard it if you're more fat conscious. But that's our beautiful, quick chicken stock.